Yes, digital product family. Hope you guys well. Guys, you're gonna love this video. It is one of the best ones I've done, guys. You're gonna love it. Stay right to the end because you're gonna benefit so much. If you're trying to do that Tumblr mock-up and you're trying to make it look real and really cool and realistic, because as you know, that click-through rate, if you've got a fantastic listing design mock-up there, then you know you've got a great chance of selling that product. But guys, without further ado, as usual, if you love videos on Tumblr's digital products, all kinds of designs and all that good stuff, please hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell to get all the videos in your feed. Guys, check this out. I want to show you the result of this. Now, just before I do that, see this product that you see on screen? This listing gets over $6,000. Now, look, it's got 20 plus in a basket, really popular. Now, yes, granted, it's on sale right now, so you got to take that into account. So if it wasn't on sale, that would be the revenue, over 6,435 grand a month, right? A beast of a product, right? Now, the three images that this product has to sell it, right? Because they sell Tumblr wraps, okay? Downloadable wraps. So because they got this 3D kind of floral design, right? So they got the tapered, they got the image of the straight, and they got the little mock-up, right? That's their mock-up. But guys, just check out my mock-up. Look at my mock-up. Now look, this one's good. This one's pretty good. But check out the one that I created on Midjourney, guys. Check this one out. Look how good. Look at this, guys. Now tell me that's not the one. Right, look at this, guys. I've been experimenting, trying all sorts with Midjourney, and this is my mock-up of my seamless pattern design that I created. Check it out, guys. I want to show you exactly how to do this, so you better stay right to the end, guys. And don't forget, I also did an animated Tumbler mock-up, right, on one of my other videos, but because it was at the end of the video or the back end of the video, maybe you missed it. So guys, don't forget, at the end of this video, check out this video right after this one, which is called, I'll show you the thumbnail for it, is this one, the one that says 3D on it with a tiger tumbler on it, right? Because look, you'll see on my screen that I've got my animated Tumbler design that I created. It's really cool, that one as well. So do check it out because you'll like it. So watch this one, please. At the end of the video, I'll put it at the end anyway. So anyways, let's get back to this, guys. The one. This is the one. Okay, so guys, check this out. That's what I produced. Right now, first of all, I'm gonna backstep a little bit, right? Backtrack a little bit. Now, look, first of all, you want to create your own pattern, right? Your own seamless pattern or design. Let's say you're doing a pattern, right? And you want to obviously have that. Now remember, that example, the reason why I chose this Tumbler to look at, because it's a really good listing, fantastic listing, and it's doing very well. And also, the key about this is it's a 3D floral design, and that seems to be quite popular. Now remember, like anything, niche down, but obviously try maybe, you know, design something within the floral that's not so maybe popular, right? Common, so that you're able to rank. But anyways, let's say you want to produce something like this, right? So I'm going to go imagine, right? And then prompt obviously on Midjourney. Okay, so what I've done is, because this is my usual prompt that I use when I want to create a pattern, right? I usually type in seamless pattern, and in this case, I've put 3D because I want it to be a 3D design, blooming flowers, because I'm going to choose blooming flowers. It could be poppy flowers, it could be all sorts, sunflowers, any kind, but I choose blooming flowers. And remember, as per usual, guys, you know, when you want to actually make it seamless, remember, it's spacebar -- tile. That's what you have to type in. Check out my other videos where I go through exactly how to do it, and I validate that it's a seamless pattern. Okay, so I'm going to click enter, and I'm going to get my 3D, hopefully, blooming flower designs, right? It's going to be, oh, what have I done? I've done it wrong. Let me do it again. Sorry, guys. Let me go to imagine. I must have clicked something wrong. So seamless, right? Pattern, 3D, blooming flowers. flowers, yeah? Click enter. Oh, I did a mistake. Again. I'm supposed to put minus minus tile for making sure that it's seamless. God. Let me just do it quickly, guys. See, this is all like live, right? None of this, I'm not editing none of this right now, right? Blooming, flowers, right? Space bar, minus minus, tile, so it's seamless. There you go, right? That's gonna work. Even though those designs are really beautiful, guys, right? So check this out, guys. This is so cool. I love this. This video is the one. So right, check it out, guys. Look. I don't know why I was so happy. I think because I was actually practicing so much on Midjourney, and I just wanted to get that mock-up right, because I've seen mock-ups, but I wanted it to be so like real. I wanted it to be so real. Look at these. These are beautiful, guys. Okay, so what shall we do? Which one shall we go for? I like this bottom. I want to go in a bit of an orangey kind of tip. This so I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3. Right, upscale number 3. Yeah, that one's quite nice. It's quite nice. It looks 3D, right? That's my 3D seamless pattern. So this is what we do. This is how you're gonna do this. This is how you're gonna create it and make it look so good. What's that one? Oh, that's the other one. Okay, yeah, that's a. So the other one isn't seamless. Okay, so I'm gonna go with number 1. Yeah, U1. Let me go for U1 because it's seamless as well. So let's just use the actual seamless one. There you go. I'm gonna use this one, right? Anyways, so nice 3D looking. It looks, quality is amazing. Open in browser. Open in browser. There you go. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is this is what I'm gonna do, guys. So look, this is when I opened it in browser. I need to save it as well, actually. Let me save this as well. Save the image. I don't need it. I'm going to save it first. My download. Save it there. Save it. Cool. And now I'm actually going to copy this link, right? Look, copy this link where I've opened in a browser. Copy it, right? Go back to my Discord. Check this out. Stay with me, guys. Right? Then I'm going to go /. All right, /. Then I'm going to go /. Click imagine. And then I'm going to say create. Right? Spacebar. Paste that link from the browser, that PNG. Where I've opened it in the browser, that whole the whole page link. And then I'm going to say on, right? Because I want this design. So I've said create. And then it's this design because I'm being specific on mock-up, right? For 20-ounce skinny tumbler with straw inside on a table. That's it, right? Okay, that's it. Let me click enter. Right, that's it. That's all I do. Click enter and let's see what it does. So I want this design, that floral 3D design on a Tumbler mock-up. And let's see what it does. Now look, everyone, guys, you know mock-up, you know what Midjourney's like. Sometimes it's going to produce what you want, sometimes it's not. And sometimes you're going to have to regenerate, right? So let's see what it does first. Let's see if we're on the right track. And it looks like we are. And sometimes if you see something that's quite nice, then you kind of see, these are really nice, by the way. Look at this. Look at these guys. Oof, that is so good. Right, this is so nice, guys. Look at the quality on that. Oh, wow. That is so good. Look at number 2. Guys, look at number 2. Look at number 2. Tell me. I mean, look at that. Look at that. Fabulous, guys. Look at that tumbler. That looks amazing. Like, really, I can just take that as it is straight and just look at that. Right? So, a couple of things. Look at that. It looks so good. And that background, oh my God, it's just class. So, you could just take it straight if you wanted to. Open it in browser and just take that image, right? Look at it. It looks 3D, looks real. But there's a couple of things, right? Look, I'll just tell you a couple of things that it's kind of missed out. For example, like I said, this is why sometimes you need to regenerate. You might need to, like there's no straw on that one. There's a straw on the first one, yeah? Can you see the first one? There's a straw on that first one there at the top. But that background is a bit too busy. So, you know, what you have to do is, I'm going to just show you something again. I'm just going to do this again and go create, right? Create, right? Space bar. Okay, now let me go to my the actual pattern, seamless pattern. Copy that. Remember, copy that link and then paste it in. Yeah, pasted. Space bar, and I'm gonna say on mockup for 20 ounce skinny tumbler. Right, just copy that straight now, and then paste it. All right, I might even say something like. On a table, comma, white background, yeah? Just let me see if I can get something. It's a bit busy, that background, some of these. And click enter. Let's see what it does. But look, in essence, guys, it's produced something quite nice. Look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. And that is the thing with this, you know, because like when you come up here, you can see like some of that. And that's the idea behind it. Now, what you can do is sometimes you might need to regenerate. So regenerate is this button here. Let me go back up, sorry, so you know. Sometimes if you're not happy with it, you can just go to regenerate, this button here. And this is going to give you another 4, you know, ideas or examples, right? Like I said, sometimes it produces what you want, sometimes it doesn't. As in like, sometimes it doesn't produce exactly what you want. So you might need to regenerate, guys. But again, look at these. Some of these are absolutely gorgeous again. But what I would do is, me personally, is I would look at these again. See, some of these again are nice. Maybe, you know, again, you would click, just, you don't even need to copy and paste anymore. You could regenerate. Or if you like one of these, which I've done previously, I might say, okay, this one's quite nice. I might just regenerate more of number 2. U2. Go to version 2. So let me go back up. So you might say, okay, I like version 2. Let me click version 2, 4 of those. And again, you know, that's what happens. You get some other nice versions that are going to come up now. And then what you can do is, if you're happy with it, I mean, just look at the quality, guys, of this one. Look at that. Look at that. It looks amazing. That actually looks amazing, right? Look at that. It's so nice. Right, but then again, look, it's going to do a few more versions, and the reason why I do sometimes a few more versions is you'll see what I'm talking about, because also what happens is the backgrounds sometimes change, and actually in some ways they make the backgrounds kind of a bit more, sometimes I see it a bit more realistic. Like look at these ones, these look fantastic again. And I'm going to show you very quickly if you're still not happy with the backgrounds, but I'll be honest, these are really nice. Look at these, guys. These are beautiful, right? Look at this. Look at these, guys. These are so nice. Right? Don't you think? Look at that top right one. I mean, to be honest with you, I could take that one just absolutely straight as it is. I could take that one straight as it is. But if you weren't happy, so let's say that top right one is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to go to U2, upscale it. It's absolutely gorgeous, that one. Right? I could actually put that straight. Imagine that one just straight onto an Etsy listing. It looks so good. Right? So I'm going to just download this. Right? Look at that. Wow, that looks mad. Save image as. probably maybe a bit too like it's too 3D, that one almost. That's crazy. But and then let's say you go to Canva, right? I've just jumped onto Canva. So if I go to Canva and I just go to upload a file. Let's say I want to upload the one that I've just done, right? This one. To be honest, you know, if I wanted to, I could take this as it is and use it on Etsy. It looks so good, right? And I'm going to put this here. So here's my image. Let's say I don't really need to do this. I can just put it straight onto Etsy. But let's say I want to get rid of the background, right? I'll just show you a couple of things. Remove background. Let's have a look. All right, there you go. Pretty much clean. Just need to adjust a bit more. I just need to erase that. There's something that that's left on here, which is this. I'm just going to erase this, right? Just quickly. Done. Go back. Should be gone by now. That's it. It's gone. And then what I might do is I might go to elements and say kitchen background, right? Just if I just wanted to like still get something else, I could always do that in Midjourney, by the way, right? But if I just wanted to like just get one of those standard, if you like, backgrounds, just one of those plain standard ones, I could do this. Put that on top. Yep, that's fine. Let me just get this. Let me just drag that up. Let's say it's on a kitchen table. Boom, there you go. All right. If I wanted to make it, obviously. Okay. That's it. If I wanted to, I could do a Canva version where I can just get one of those standard backgrounds and then just sit it on there. But guys, just honestly, right? Tell me, don't you think that looks pretty amazing, right? Yeah. Look at that. It looks amazing. That just looks amazing. So, you know, I'd have my design and then I'd have my Tumblr on a listing, and just, you know, just doing it in Midjourney just makes a huge difference, guys. So, yeah, I just really wanted to show you how you guys can actually produce your Tumbler mock-up straight in Midjourney. So from your pattern, from your design, from the design that you produce, the pattern that you produce, to the actual Tumbler, right? By literally just copy and pasting, putting the link, saying create from that link, the design, the Tumbler, guys. And you can see my other versions that I've done. Here's one I did earlier. Like I said, I've been experimenting like mad. I did my seamless pattern there, 3D, because the 3D style is getting quite popular. And then you can see that I was pretty much experimenting with so much until I got it how I wanted it, which took a while. But look at these. I mean, look at these amazing ones. Look, these ones look so cool. But like I said, you know, sometimes you get slightly different variations until you get the one. See, these ones, I got the straw in those. But these, again, look, these look fantastic. I mean, this one in the bottom right looks amazing, guys, don't you think? So, guys, yeah, check it out. Pause on the video so you can actually type in exactly the kind of prompts that I put. Like I said, keep regenerating until you get the kind of design that you want. But I'm sure you get something you like that looks really professional, so that when those customers come on and click on the images, they'll buy, hopefully, fingers crossed, they'll buy your product, guys. So check it out. Remember, check out the 3D video now next, which is going to come up as one of the examples where I actually show you how to create the animated version of the Tumbler mockup. So guys, check it out. And remember, guys, if you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. And don't forget, check out all the links in my description for everything that I use, guys. And remember, go to this next video so that you can actually check out how I actually do this. And also, I verify how to do seamless pattern and all sorts. But I've got a really good playlist on Tumblr, so check it out, guys. And don't forget, I'll see you on the next one. Take care.